We have Drake and Zelda, brother and sister. Look at that.
Oh. Please. Hey.
Be nice, boys.
Oh. Zelda, you're losing.
He's gonna fall off that edge there.
He was biting. They're biting jowls.
Yeah, I don't think they hurt each other. Maybe we should go in the grass.
They played more the two of them than any of them together.
Jeez. I'm gonna throw Zelda.
Zelda, take it easy.
Taking him down.
Hey.
I know you missed Drakey, but
Oh my goodness.
I saw it on Facebook. They're beautiful.
aren't they cute?
Yeah, they're awesome. So they're sisters?
Brother and sister.
Brother and sister?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think she's hurting him. He'd be crying if she was.
Nah. This is love.
They were in a box for 7 weeks, and then this is the reunion.
Really?
Yeah, they're just 8.5 weeks
Oh,
old.
that's so cool.
Hi, boy. You're such a good boy. You is. Remember me? I probably got a little residue of chicken on me or something. And you was just trembling. Maddie, it's okay. That's not